Hey there, future entrepreneur. Want to know how you can start making $10,000 per month in 2025 using AI tools? In this video, we'll break it down step by step so you can get started today. Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech geniuses anymore. It's a gold mine of opportunities waiting for anyone with the right tools and strategies. You don't need coding skills, and you don't need a big investment to get started. All you need is an internet connection and a few hours of focus each day. Here are 5 simple yet powerful ways you can use AI tools to generate $10,000 per month. We'll start with the easiest ones and move on to more advanced methods. Make sure to watch till the end for a bonus tip that could double your income. First up, content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can help you write blogs, social media posts, and even full ebooks in no time. Businesses are always looking for fresh content but don't have time to create it themselves. Charge clients $50 to $200 per article depending on the word count and complexity. With just 10 clients a month, you could easily make $5,000 or more. Next, let's talk video creation. AI tools like Pictory and Synthesia let you create professional-looking videos without even picking up a camera. These tools are perfect for YouTube automation channels, explainer videos, and ads. Charge clients $300 to $1,000 per video, or use these tools to grow your own monetized YouTube channel. Did you know you can use AI tools to help businesses rank higher on Google? AI-powered SEO tools like Surfer SEO and SEMrush simplify keyword research and content optimization. Combine this with website building platforms like Wix or WordPress, which now have AI assistants, and you've got a complete package. Charge $1,000 to $5,000 per project for designing SEO-optimized websites. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to hit $10,000 per month. Many AI tools have affiliate programs with generous commissions. Promote these tools on your blog, YouTube channel, or even social media. Create top 10 AI tools videos or tutorials to drive traffic. For each sale, you'll earn a commission ranging from 20% to 50%. Lastly, create and sell digital products. Use AI tools to design templates, ebooks, or online courses. For example, you can create social media templates using Canva's AI features or write an ebook using ChatGPT. Sell these on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad for passive income. Here's the bonus tip. Combine these strategies for maximum impact. For instance, create an SEO-optimized blog that promotes affiliate links while offering digital products. Or use video creation tools to make tutorials and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Let's do a quick math recap. By offering content creation services, video production, and website design, you can earn $7,000 to $8,000 per month. Add affiliate marketing and digital products, and you're looking at $10,000 or more. Now it's your turn. Which of these methods will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on how to succeed with AI tools in 2025. See you in the next video.